play and start again. One iguana in the tree, peeking down so curiously, wiggling tail, big round eyes, watch him jump, oh what a surprise. Iguanas side by side, crawling fast and trying to hide. Peek-a-boo, come out and play, let's have fun the iguana way. Three iguanas climb so high, reaching leaves up in the sky. Crunch, crunch, munch away, eating greens all through the day. Four iguanas race around, running fast across the ground. Zoom, zoom, tails go swish, iguana races, who will win? Iguanas jump and play, hopping high, hip hooray, leaping, laughing up so high, touching clouds up in the sky. Six iguanas, tails so long, swinging, swaying, moving strong, left and right they twist around, dancing tails make a sound. Seven iguanas love to hide under leaves so big and wide. Peek-a-boo, can you see? One just popped out at me. Eight iguanas climbing high up the trees towards the sky. One slips down, but don't you fear, up he goes with a happy cheer. One iguanas in a row, twinkling tails as they go. Step by step, one by one, marching iguanas, what great fun. 10 iguanas wave and cheer, counting's fun we learn here. Jump and clap and what a way to count and learn, hip hooray.